Mr. Hernandez here. Hope you guys are doing great. Today is Wednesday, April 29 of 2020. And on math, you're going to draw base 10 block of the number 986, but in 3 different ways. Then you're going to tell me word form, even and odd, and expanded form. Okay? And the last thing you will do, we are going to solve word problems using the beginnings of division. Keyword division, it's almost like sharing. Remember that? We're going to talk about that later. We're going to show 3 different ways with place value blocks the number 689. The first way is the basic one. We have 600, 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Then the second way I'm going to do it, I'm going to change these hundreds. And remember, 100 equal how many tens? 10 tens. Very good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 because I'm changing this one into tens. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to remember that 10 tens equals 100. And then I'm going to, now we have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. That's 8. And 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 500. We have 18 tens and 9 ones. And this is the same as this number. Now we're going to do another base 10 block form. So we're going to have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 600. And then I'm going to change 1 tens into ones. So this means that I'm not going to have 8. If I move 1 10 into the ones place, that means I'm going to have now 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 because this one I changed it into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to remember that 10 ones equals 110. And I have here 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have here 617 tens and 19 ones. This number in word form is 689. That's the word form. And now the next part, you're going to tell me if it's odd or even. It finished 689, finished with 9, so this means that it's odd. 689. On expanded form, the number 689, we need to remember 6 equals 600, the 600. Plus 8 tens equals 80, and 9 ones equals 9. So this is the answer, 689 of expanded form. You're going to do the same thing with this number, 986. Again, base 10 block, word form, odd or even, and expanded form with the number 986. Division is just like sharing. So we need to think, when you share, you always like to share the same amount to other people. Cuando tú compartes, te gusta compartir siempre la misma cantidad para que todos tengan lo mismo. Por ejemplo, let's think about this. Imagine that Mr. Hernandez has 12 toys. Yo tengo 12 juguetes. I have 12 toys right here. Tengo 12 juguetes. And I'm going to share my toys. Voy a compartir mis juguetes. Now, I'm going to share my toys. And I'm going to give to my friends 3 toys each. Each of my friends are going to have 3 toys. I repeat, I have 12 toys. And I'm going to share 3 toys to my friend. I am not adding 12 plus 3, and I am not multiplying 12 times 3. I'm going to share this number into smaller groups, and each groups are going to have 3 toys. So let's do the first group. I have 1, 2, 3 toys. This is group number 1. Let's see another group. 1, 2, 3. Here we have another group. 1, 2, 3. Here we have another group. 1, 2, 3. And here we have another group. So, Mr. Hernandez tenía 12 juguetes. I had 12 toys. And I gave to each of my friends, I gave them 3 toys. I am not adding 12 plus 3. No estoy sumando 12 más 3. Yo estoy dividiendo. So when I divide, I make smaller groups. Hago grupos más pequeños que este número. So each group has 3 toys. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So repito, 12, I had 12 toys. Yo tenía 12 juguetes. When I divide, cuando yo divido 12 juguetes entre 3 juguetes, I divide 12 divided by 3, me dio 4 grupos. It gave me 4 groups. Do you see? 12 toys divided by 3 toys equals 4 groups. Yo no sumé, yo no resté, yo no multipliqué, yo dividí. And a lot of people are getting confused here. And a lot of you guys are adding or multiplying. We are doing division. So we need to think like sharing. We need to divide into groups. Es como hacer un equipo. Es como cuando en el salón yo divido los grupos, divido las estaciones. Okay? That's the same thing. I divide into equal groups. Divide into equal groups. Equal because all of them have 3 toys. And all of them together makes 12 toys. Sean planted 18 flowers in rows. Sean put 6 flowers on each row. How many rows of flowers did Sean plant? So we need to look over here. We're talking about Sean, and Sean planted. He planted 18 flowers. Plantó 18 flores. In rows. Rows son filas. Y me dice a mí aquí que Sean put 6 flowers on each row. Que él tiene 18 flores. No tiene más, así que no sumes, no tiene más. Solamente tiene 18 flores. Esas 18 flores hizo grupos y cada grupo tiene 6 flores. La pregunta es, how many rows of flowers did Sean plant? Así que, ¿cuántas filas de flores tiene Sean? So we know that Sean planted 18 flowers. Sean plantó 18 flores. And we're going to divide. We're dividing this week. We're going to divide 18 flowers with 6. Because Sean put 6 flowers on each row. En cada fila, él puso 6 flores. The question is, how many rows of flowers Sean planted? ¿Cuántas filas de flores? So he has 18 flowers. He divides the flowers into groups of 6, into rows of 6. Cada fila. So we have a row. Aquí adentro, we're going to have a row. So we're going to have 18. I have 18 flowers here. Tengo 18 flores. And each row, on each row, there's 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 flowers. Here we have 1. Am I done? No. Am I adding? I'm not adding. I'm taking from this group and creating an equal group. If I have 6 here, how many flowers I'm going to have here? 6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 on this row, 6 on this row. Let's make another row because I still have more flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my question is, how many rows do I have? Sean planted 18 flowers. On each row, he put 6 flowers. How many rows do we have? Well, 18 divided by 6 gives me 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. This is all you have to do. Take the greatest number, divide it with the smallest number, and create equal groups. Once you have equal groups, you will know the answer. Okay? You're going to do the same thing, but with this word problem. Sean planted 20 flowers in rows, 20 flores en filas. Sean put 5 flowers on each row. Ahorita era 6 flowers on each row. Now there are 5 flowers on each row. So the question is, how many rows of flowers did Sean planted? ¿Cuántas filas de flores creó Sean? Recuerda que cada fila tiene 5 flores. Si tienes todas las filas juntas, todas te van a dar 20, pero cada una es 5 flores. This will be all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.